Now let us look at an important and interesting concept of delivered ex-quo, DEQ. It is a method of shipment in which the seller fulfills his obligation to deliver when he has made the goods available to the buyer on the quay at the named port of destination, cleared the importation, यानी आपके पास जो seller है वो fulfill करता है अपनी obligation को कि he will deliver the product to the customer or the shipment to the customer at the quay, उसी पोर्ट के ऊपर, और वो import duty भी उसके ऊपर जो है वो पे कर देता है. The seller has to bear all risk and costs including duties and tax thereto. So whatever taxes are there, whatever import duty is there, or whatever the risk, the cost of risk, that means the minimum insurance is there, that would be done by the seller at the quay. This is actually the concept of delivered ex-quo. Then there is also a concept of delivered ex-ship, DES, a method of shipping in which the seller fulfills his obligation to deliver when the goods have been made available to the buyer on board to ship. यानी जिस वक्त आपने उसको ship पर board कर दिया, the goods are available to the buyer, uncleared for import at the named port of destination. But he will not pay the import duty. The import duty would be on the shipper, on the buyer. The seller must bear all the cost and risk involved in bringing the goods to the named port of destination. यानी जिस वक्त तक वो ship पर लेके आया, वहाँ तक उसकी responsibility थी. He is not responsible for paying the import duty. Delivered ex-quo में क्या difference है? There you need to pay the import duties. You need to pay those things. क्योंकि आप उसको जो है वो जो promise है, made available, you will make the product available to the buyer and then you will pay the import duty. But here in delivered ex-ship, DES, you are not responsible for the importation. Importation के लिए आप responsible नहीं है as a seller. Then there is delivery duty unpaid, DDU, a method of shipping in which the seller fulfills his obligation to deliver when the goods have been made available at the named place in the country of importation. Delivery duty would not be, it would be unpaid. जो seller है उसकी obligation है कि he will actually, जो country है जहाँ पर उसको import करना है, पहुँचाना है, वहाँ तक उसको पहुँचा देगा, उसके लिए वो duty ज़रूर pay करेगा. The seller has to bear the risk and costs, including duties, taxes, and other charges of delivering the goods thereto, cleared for importation. तो import तक जो है वो जितने भी expenses हैं, that would be paid by the seller. So it would be DDU. Then we have demurrage, the carrier charges and fees applied when rail freight cars and ships are retained beyond a specific loading or unloading time. Demurrage है क्या कि आपने एक ship जो है वो because of some circumstances, unforeseeable circumstances, after loading or unloading कुछ देर तक जो है it is there, वो अपनी उस let's say destination या अपने उस source जहाँ से वो move कर रहा था वहाँ से move नहीं किया. So you have to pay some taxes, you have to pay some fees, and that fees is actually named as demurrage. उसको demurrage का नाम दिया जाएगा. ये क्योंकि रेल फ्रेट कार्स के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा जो है वो common है. So because you are staying at that rail for some period of time and it might delay the coming rail as well. So you have to pay the fee, you have to pay the compensation. Thank you.